Maybe I reach home early. Babes. Hey, yes, baby.
Oh, God, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, God, yes. You see what man tell me so? Oh, my God.
Baby.
Yes, we're gonna do it.
Baby, that's something I need to be keen for you. I know it's the one now. The man feel keen for you like that. That's your love. You don't. No, that's your love. Yeah. One for you guys feel like pig. Feel like pig, baby. Yeah. Feel like pig. Yes, baby. Just like pig. That's someone for you, baby.
Yes, see him where?
Squeeze.
See him where?
Yes, baby.
Hey. Oh, go on, dog. Yo, where's the man cool? Jano Star. Yo, I'm in name Rawpa, still nice to meet you. Yo, me I tell your dog, your wife attack how she love you. Yeah, restoration top dance teacher.
No, actually, me are power tap guru. Me just there here a little tap lesson. But you need a kid.
Oh, chat, no watch that man. No, me just here a little show her little moves and you don't know them to the tap lesson and give her some skills and all of them something there.
So oh, you cock it and up. Dog, me just passionate about the word dance. You can't just say the word dance and see jump up look. Dance! So me I tell you, dog.
Yes, Usha.
No, but Buster's a guest in that home. How dare you insinuate something like that?
Yeah, I did. If you insinuate something like that, I lick me flicking in your face now, boy. You know what that do? Me feel disrespecting in your place now. And it's like you on this, man. You know what I do? I take me place. I take myself out of your place and pick up my clothes. Car. I fool the boy, I take me fine now. Hey boy, Habit, don't sit you me a Christian. Me go walk out your son now. You disrespect man Habit, hey boy. You know what? Yo, don't look at me there now. Look at the term next cheek.
You happy now?
Hey, rest me sure you really give her pussy.
Look, I told your ass ain't nothing happen. And the next time you say it happen again, I'm gonna knock your teeth out your mouth.
Rest me sure we take vows. I'm your husband. Hey, rest me sure you think me that the thing me no say give her pussy for me.
It never happened.
Yes, you did. And that make you the queen of war.
Hey, Norbit!
On the run for no life. Oh God. Please help me.
Come here.
No.
Come here to me. Come here.
Left me alone.
You ain't no but a goddamn coward.
Big old tramp.
That's what your stupid black ass did. I hope you broke your ass. Since you feel like running, Norbit, why don't you run your ass down the rib shack and get me a short stack of ribs, extra hot sauce. All this setting you straight done got me famished.